What's up everyone, welcome to Director Discovery and I am Nicholas Clayton Lee. Today I got my hands on this, another Chanel bag, and I can honestly tell you that I have no idea what style it is, what color it is, or how this bag even looks like. But I can only tell you that this is from the Spring Summer 2022 pre-collection. Anyway, let's open this up and see what is inside. So I'm gonna open it like this, using my chest to hold it up so everyone can see how I'm opening this. And for the guys who are watching, Valentine's Day is coming, so this might be something to consider. I don't know yet, but I know these can get really expensive, so. I gotta be careful with this, I can't just rip this. Oh no, I ripped it already. And then here's the dust bag. Oh, there's this as well, which is, I think it's just teaching you how to take care of it. I've opened so many of these, I still don't really know. But it's always good to confirm. Yes, so they have this cloth. I have no idea. I never found out what this is. And then there's just a manual talking about Chanel, how beautiful the handbag is. Anyway. And there's also this card that it came with, how to take care of a Chanel bag. It came in the bag, so. Alright, let's put this aside. Oh! So it's a white. All I know is that this is a new, and it's I don't even know exactly which season this is from, but I know it's new, so. Ta-da! It's a square bag. So Chanel just has this as like, how is this a backpack? It's a backpack? It just says a Chanel backpack. Okay. Oh, it is a backpack. Ha ha ha. Okay, so nice. It smells so nice. This tissue. Huh. So a square Chanel backpack, and then you can. There's the authentication. I'm not gonna really show it or zoom in because, yeah, shouldn't be doing that. Yeah, here it is. A nice Chanel backpack, and it has this gold chain. I've never seen this yet on any Chanel. This thing, what is this called? I don't know, just to hold the chain up. It's pretty nice. The size of this bag measures at 20 by 19 by 8 centimeters. This bag also comes in black with a maroon interior, and it appeared in look 14 in Chanel's Spring Summer 2022 pre-collection show. So it's actually pretty cool to see how these square backpacks are now in style. I've actually never seen a square backpack before. This actually seems like it's pretty big and it can fit quite a lot, so let's do a bag test. Like all my other bag tests, I'm gonna be putting things that I think a lot of girls will have in their backpack or purses. And we're gonna start off by opening this up. As you guys can see, it's very flat. So I don't know if I can even put as much stuff inside here. But let's start off with car keys and house keys, credit card and driver's license, powder, hand sanitizer right nowadays because it's so important, hand lotion, lipstick or lip balm, and also a concealer, an eyeliner pencil, your cell phone, cologne or perfume, AirPods, which not everyone has, but you never know. And these are kind of like if you want to stay over at somebody's house, since it's a backpack, it makes sense. But yeah, just like some face cream and stuff. But other than that, it does not look like I can put the t-shirt in. Like I said in my Chanel Duma backpack, if you guys haven't watched it yet, the link is in one of these corners. I don't know. Anyway, that one is actually surprisingly, it's a small version too, and it can fit more than this. But this one's really packed, and yeah. So as you guys could see, this actually can't put as much stuff as the Chanel Duma, like I reviewed back then, like I said. But this can still put quite a lot of stuff. And it seems like it's more low-key than the other one because it doesn't stick out as much. So you can actually carry this like I have. And yeah, you guys can be a gentleman and help a lady carry their backpack, I guess. It's fine. It's still kind of weird. But the thing I really like about this is that this padding right here, I guess it's not padding, it's like double layer for the chain, the leather on the chain. It seems like a really nice style. There's two of these double layers on this chain. And I find this, also have it on this too, so it's pretty nice. And I find it, yeah, it's really low key. I think it's still not worth the money. This actually costs $6,000 Canadian, well, $5,975. That's around like $4,700 US. Obviously, I'm a guy, I still don't think this is worth it. But girls like this stuff, and they pay mainly because of the calf skin, because this leather is very durable, and a lot of girls just like this style. Mainly. Anyway, but yeah, for that price, I don't know, for all the guys that are watching and are into like computers and stuff, you can get like a completely pre-built 3090 for this same price, and it's a computer. You can do a lot more stuff than with this. Just saying. But anyway, yeah, you guys can consider getting this right now in Chanel boutiques, and it's a great Valentine's Day present, which is very, very, very expensive. But yeah, this is just another option. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And if you'd like to follow me on my journey to discover more random products, places, and restaurants, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.